Imagine having a high-pressure washer for your blood vessels. What if a single simple drink in the morning could actually help flush your arteries for real? We're talking about completely natural ingredients that can lower the risk of a heart attack or stroke. That might sound like a massive exaggeration at first, or like one of those internet myths, but I'm asking you to stick around until the very end of this video, because we're not talking about miracle cures here, we're talking about hard science. And there's one ancient ingredient in this special heart power shot I'm revealing to you today that is genuinely going to surprise you. Let's dive right in and not waste a second. Your heart is pumping the whole time we're talking. We have 5 extremely potent ingredients here, 5 guardians of your cardiovascular system. And I don't just want to say take this, I want to explain to you why this stuff works like dynamite against plaque. The first candidate is a vegetable that many people only know from their grandmother's pickling jar, beetroot. Already interesting, right? Why this round, knobby root of all things? Beetroot is packed with natural nitrates. When you drink it, something brilliant happens inside your body. These nitrates convert into nitric oxide. That sounds chemical, but it's your best friend. It's like a relaxation signal for your blood vessels. Picture a garden hose that someone is standing on. The water only trickles out. Nitric oxide is the moment you lift your foot off. The vessels dilate, pressure drops, blood flow is massively improved. In a 2015 study, older adults who simply drank beetroot juice as a shot saw their blood pressure drop significantly as a direct result. But open vessels are only the first step. Now we need to clear out the debris, and for that we need ingredient number 2, pomegranate. I eat pomegranate very often, even though deseeding it is a bit of a project. It even appears in the Bible and in many ancient writings as a symbol of life. Interesting, isn't it? But spirituality aside, biologically, this thing is a weapon. It's loaded with an army of antioxidants that actually protect your arteries from plaque deposits. Picture plaque like rust in an old pipe. It narrows the pipe and makes it brittle. A long-term study found that daily intake of pomegranate juice or the seeds as a whole food reduced the thickness of arterial plaque by up to 30%. 30%. That's the difference between free flow and a dangerous traffic jam. It helps keep your blood flow strong and clean. So now we have dilated vessels and we have the pipe cleaner. But what about speed? What about the pressure in the system? That's where the third ingredient comes in, ginger. Ginger isn't just for tea when your nose is running. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and a massive circulatory booster. In 2019, a meta-analysis found, that's essentially the summary of many different clinical studies, that ginger supplementation can moderately lower your blood pressure. We're talking about a drop of around 6 points in systolic blood pressure. That sounds like not much at first, but for your heart, it's an enormous relief. It means better blood flow and a healthier, more relaxed heart that doesn't have to pump like crazy just to get blood around the body. Now it gets really exciting because inflammation is the true enemy of your arteries. And to get rid of it, we need the dynamic duo number 4, turmeric and black pepper. Listen carefully, not turmeric alone, that does almost nothing. You need to add the black pepper on top to activate it. The curcumin in turmeric is actually one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories in existence, and it helps protect your arterial walls. But your body barely absorbs it. The piperine in black pepper is the key here. It increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. That's a 20-fold increase. Turmeric alone is fine, sure, not bad. With pepper, boom, 20 times more powerful. That's a very powerful, almost aggressive combination against silent inflammation. It literally charges the benefits of turmeric with a turbo boost. Together, they help fight inflammation inside the blood vessels before it leads to permanent damage. And now, we come to the Premier League, an ingredient I personally love, even though the taste is genuinely unusual. You find this one in another ancient text, the Quran, black seed oil. From what I've heard, the Prophet Muhammad actually mentioned black seed oil as a remedy for everything except death. Now that's a statement. Interesting, right? This ancient remedy, black seed oil, comes from the plant Nigella sativa. Personally, I take a spoonful of black seed oil every single morning without fail. The taste is intense, almost a little like gasoline, but your heart is going to love it. This oil is celebrated today for cardiovascular health. A review of human studies from 2016 found that black seed extract can significantly lower high blood pressure. It's packed with thymoquinone, a difficult word. Even in my own research, I hadn't heard of it before, but it's actually an extremely powerful anti-inflammatory compound, which makes it the secret ingredient that connects and amplifies all these healthy components in the heart health shot. Okay, enough theory. You want to know how to mix this stuff together without your kitchen exploding. So what's the recipe for your morning life insurance shot? Write it down or take a mental screenshot. You need 1 small beetroot. Whether raw or cooked is a matter of taste. Raw has a bit more power. Add half a cup of pomegranate seeds. Alternatively, 100 milliliters of pure pomegranate juice. A direct pressed juice works great. But please no added sugar. Then a piece of fresh ginger root about 1 inch long. Peeled, of course. We don't want to drink bark. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And very importantly, a pinch of black pepper to activate the turmeric. Don't forget the pepper. And to top it all off, a teaspoon of high-quality black seed oil. Take all these ingredients and throw them into a blender. Blend until it's completely smooth. If it's too thick for you, add a splash of water. If you want it a little gentler on your stomach, pour it into a glass. And now the golden rule, drink it fresh, don't let it sit. Oxidized juice does nothing for you. Ideally, drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That way, the active compounds go directly into your bloodstream without any detours. And there you have it, this beautiful, vibrant red drink. By lowering blood pressure, reducing plaque, and fighting inflammation, this daily shot can help protect your heart against heart attacks, strokes, and much more. This isn't mumbo-jumbo, it's an ancient, synergistic, beautiful drink made for you, for every single morning. Why start your day with coffee and stress when you can start it with this extraordinary heart booster? Do your arteries a favor. They work every second of every day for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to discover even more content just like this one.